pond, and I just want to go over everything now. We're gonna try to see if there's anything good here. I took the suit off because obviously that lady was taking everything really seriously. I don't know if you can see in the videos, but she took everything and put everything pretty much in garbage bags. But a lot of the stuff is like brand new boxes from Amazon, so I can't just throw everything away. But she definitely thinks, and these are her words, that there was like a blood-sucking parasite that somebody attacked her with bugs at her house. She was saying a lot of stuff that was kind of off the wall. Not so sure if I should believe it or not. Obviously, if I get eaten alive tonight, then we'll know that she was telling the truth. But as of now, I'm just gonna take my gloves and go through this stuff and see if we get anything good. We're gonna go back tomorrow and pick up other stuff that she actually wants to go as well. But we're gonna see if we got anything good from this job now. I'm gonna start going through this stuff. I'm not feeling any side effects from like, and she said these bugs are microscopic, so that's why it's really hard to, you know, take what she says at face value. So I feel fine right now. I'm a little woozy just because I was in that suit for hours. Like this, for example. It's a pretty nice table. I mean, she said that if we sprayed stuff down with alcohol, she thinks that was helping. She actually had an exterminator in there too. If anything, I'm just feeling the effects of the chemicals from that. So I gotta find a place to put all this stuff too. Brand new things of antifreeze. Chairs and stools. What the freaking A? I mean, what even is that? And I don't know. Is this just that box of them? Okay, don't know what that is. Split sponges. Honestly, have no use for medical stuff, so I'm probably gonna toss that stuff. Some clothes, don't need that. I will be going to the dump and throwing this stuff away because, I mean, this is a box of gloves. Okay, that's like Christmas time, really. As long as there's not a blood-sucking parasite that's in here. So, I mean, she let this stuff sit for a year and a half. I don't know. Must be a pair of boxers or something. What's even in here? More medical stuff. Senior tongue depressors. Okay. I don't want that. Organic whole food meal replacement. Ugh, that's just gross. It's probably expensive, but I don't want it. A thermal blanket. Oh, I almost don't even want to unpack this stuff. It's packed so nicely on here. Whoa, all kinds of gloves. Oh, I gotta save that. Oh, air filters. Okay. Brand new. This is seriously like Christmas. I don't even. A brand new sweater. Okie dokie. Wonder if I could return this stuff. Let's see what's in this one. Jesus. Just a box of deodorant. I really don't even need any of this stuff either, but what the hell is this? Why is she even buying this stuff? Who needs this many? Glacier assistant bar? Okay. There are 4 of these, like, no tools required. And we're only in the first corner of this. So what could it be? Microfiber sheets. Add it to the other pile of brand new stuff. You're missing out, it's Christmas over here. Okay. Brand new locks inside of it. Just save that whole bag. Whoops. But imagine that's what this is like. My wife will probably want these. Brand new carpet. throws it on the dirty ground. Premium mattress protector. Oh gosh, what the hell? Gauze bandage roll. Brand new queen sheets. I mean, what is this now? Brand new black bags. Brand new Brita filters. The thing about it is I really have no idea what's in any of this. Non-sterile cotton tipped applicators. Okay. Jeez, this one's wrapped up a lot. It's a Bible. Crazy. Why is that wrapped up multiple times? Oh, can't even remember what's in these bags. Yeah, a box of brand new bags. Not sure if it's this bag or not. She had a bag with money in it. Zantac, some Boost energy drink. All right, I don't even care anymore. This is gonna take me forever if I go through every little thing. Paper towels. Jeez. Don't have a knife on me to open. Brand new bottles of water. Another air filter. So this one, so I can keep moving. Jeez. The amount of medical stuff. Syringes. This has never been open. What the hell? Okay. Keeping that. This is another bag of paper towels. This is a heavy box. More medical stuff. This is some cleaning cloths. More of those. Didn't even realize most of this was gonna be medical stuff. So now I'm like, was there really a blood-sucking parasite? Because more of those. What is it? Box of, okay. I guess we'll keep them. Said she double ziplocked it. What even are those?
Tablecloths.
See what's in here. A brand new heater. Okay. And a brand new, another heater. Looks like a brand new mop bucket. Oh my God. Oh, we found Brita filters earlier. 3 brand new Britas.
I know. Save those filters.
Crazy. This is like brand new toilet paper, I think, or something.
Yeah.
I guess we can keep it.
There was one of those bags that came off her counter was a Ziploc bag that had dollar bills in it.
That's what I was saying. I don't know. That's in one of those bags. This is just a bunch of quarters and stuff. Oh my gosh. Bags full of tons more bags just piss me off. And who knows what we're getting into here. Dude, I can't even. And everything's brand new. It's just, this was a motor that went to that bed. This might be like a basket or something. Okay, it's like a foot thing. Jeez, another bag of money. Got a couple containers of money here. All right guys, as you can see, we got a bunch of stuff that was like brand new in the package. That's like pretty much all the stuff we kept. Then over here, same thing. A little bit of everything, brand new bed sheets, Brita filters, air filters, pretty much everything you can think of. And a whole thing of money, of dishes that are all wrapped up nice. So we're actually gonna go to the dump now and just dump all the stuff that we don't want, even though it was new. A lot of it was medical supplies and stuff like that, which we had no use for. So we're gonna just go to the dump and get rid of all of that. All right guys, it's day 2. We're going back today to pick up more stuff from this house that this lady says is completely infested with God knows what. So, but before we go, I'm gonna show you the best thing we got yesterday, besides just like Christmas from opening Amazon packages that had never been opened before, was this. We got probably $50 to $100 worth of change. Spray that with some Lysol, which she actually provided as well. So we're just killing all those germs. And now we're gonna head back to the job. All right, guys, we are back at the property. We're done with the second day. We went back to that house and got a lot more stuff. So it's one of the strangest jobs I've ever done. I mean, I have no idea if, you know, there was actually blood-sucking parasites all over that stuff. What do you guys think? Do you think I took the right precautions? And, you know, we had the whole suits on and we sprayed everything with Lysol and stuff like that. At the end of the day, we don't really know. According to her, they were microscopic, so we have no idea if there really was anything on this stuff. But I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of the things that we got from this round. So she actually gave us this bed that's for like bedridden people, and it has a motor to it. And so I have no idea how much that's worth. If you guys think you know how much it's worth, leave a comment. I would love to know if it's worth anything. Same with this wheelchair. Like I said, I don't know if it's worth anything, but I'm sure it can't be cheap. Anything in the healthcare usually is expensive. So, and then also she gave us this filing cabinet, which is completely sealed up, and she said she paid $450 for it. I do not think I'm going to be able to sell that for $450. I have so many more filing cabinets and I can never sell those. So if you think this video was really strange, I'd like to get your comments on that as well. She had Amazon packages that had never even been touched, and they were just wrapped in garbage bags and garbage bags. So like I said, it's really, really strange. I have no idea what was going on there. If you guys think you know what was going on there, let me know in the comments as well. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. I'll let you know if we get any other weird ones like this.